If you want to quickly check which version of Krita you're using, this video will walk you through it step by step in just a moment. Knowing your Krita version can be really helpful when you're following tutorials, troubleshooting a problem, checking for updates, or making sure a plugin or feature is compatible with your setup. So whether you're brand new to Krita or you've been using it for a while, this is a simple but useful thing to know. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Krita on your computer. Once the app is open, look at the top menu bar. You'll see a row of menu options across the top of the window, and one of them should say Help. Click Help to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll find several support and information options, and the one you need here is About Krita. Go ahead and select About Krita from the drop-down list. A small pop-up window will appear on your screen. This window contains important information about the software, including the version number. At the top of the pop-up window, you'll see the current Krita version displayed clearly. Take a moment to read that version number because that's the exact version currently installed on your system. If you're checking this for a tutorial, update, or support request, this is the number you'll want to reference. Once you've noted the version, you don't need to do anything else. Simply click Close to dismiss the pop-up and return to your workspace. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to check the version of Krita in just a few clicks. It's a quick process, but it can save you a lot of time when you need to confirm your software version. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.